Hello, my dear students. Welcome to English Family. Welcome to our online class. I am ASM Khazamainuddin, lecturer, Tayyib Azimuddin Ahmed Ali Madrasa, Chagolna Feni. Our today's topic is assertive to interrogative, that is, changing sentences. We can say it transformation of sentences. Do you know what is called transformation? Transformation means changing but keeping the meaning unchanged. That is, meaning same and the forms are different. After this lesson, students will be able to change assertive to interrogative and vice versa, make sentences, be skilled in speaking, listening and writing, form subject-verb agreement, be creative, think critically, form an opposite word. Now we can start some sentences assertive to interrogative. Firstly, we discuss present indefinite tense and our rule is don't or doesn't. Then subject plus verb 1. Verb 1 means present form of main verb plus extension plus question mark. The example is he takes short sleep at noon. এখানে ভার্বের সাথে s বা yes যুক্ত আছে, সো s by yes থাকলে doesn't. Though the sentence is affirmative, it turns to interrogative, the sentence is negative. He takes short sleep at noon. Doesn't he take short sleep at noon? First indefinite tense. Didn't plus subject plus verb 1 plus extension plus question mark. And the example is he broke the glass. Okay, dear student, do you know what is broke? Broke is the first form of break when the sentences, when verb is present first form, then we can start didn't. He broke the glass. Didn't he break the glass? M is R. Aren't, isn't plus subject plus extension plus question mark. And the example is he is a student. Firstly we use is and then negative form isn't. So he is a student. Isn't he a student? Was where. Wasn't, weren't plus subject plus extension plus question mark. Isha Khan was landlord in Bengal. Here we use wasn't. Wasn't Isha Khan a landlord in Bengal? Have, has, had. Haven't, hasn't, hadn't plus subject plus question mark. The example is she has a bad cough. Has. Dear student, has is a auxiliary verb. First we use has and then negative form hasn't. So she has a bad cough. Hasn't she a bad cough? Shall will. Negative form shall not এর নেগেটিভ ফর্ম হবে shan't. Will not এর নেগেটিভ ফর্ম won't. Shan't oblique won't plus subject plus extension plus question mark. The example is Rima will be pious. So we start will not. Will not means won't. Won't Rima be pious? nothing but. What is plus subject plus verb plus extension plus question mark. The example is friendship is nothing but a name. First we start what is, then subject friendship, and then bar, and then start but. So friendship is nothing but a name. What is friendship but a name? Dear student, of course you can realize the fact. And do you feel any problem? I will help you. Don't feel any shyness. Now we can start can, could, may, might, must, should, would. Okay, dear learner, do you know what is the name of this verb? We know can, could, may, might, must, should, would is a modal verb. We can say it modal auxiliary verb. When it turn into interrogative, we can use can't, couldn't, meant, mightn't, mustn't, shouldn't, wouldn't, plus subject plus verb plus extension. Our example is he can speak English well. First we use can and then negative form can't. So he can speak English well. Can't he speak English well? Everybody, everyone, anybody, anyone. The rule is who plus doesn't plus verb 1 plus extension plus question mark. And the example is everybody hates a lawyer. Hates. ভার্বের সাথে s বা es হলে doesn't. Firstly we use who and then doesn't and the main verb hate, extension a liar, then question mark. So everybody hates a lawyer. Who doesn't hate a lawyer? None, nobody. The rule is who plus extension plus question mark. Example, none can do it. Firstly we use who, then extension can do it. So none can do it. The interrogative form is who can do it? Maybe you have no problem. I discuss it very clear. And of course you have to clear about it. Then you can start there plus is plus no. And the rule is what plus is plus the plus dot dot. The example is there is no use of it. এর কোনো ব্যবহার নেই। তাহলে ইন্টারগেটিভ হবে এর কি কোনো ব্যবহার আছে? At first we use auxiliary verb is, then subject there. No use means এখানে any use হবে. So there is no use of it. Is there any use of it? Or we can say what is the use of it? Now I will discuss some tips. Everybody, everyone, anybody, anyone. The rule is who, didn't, verb 1 plus extension plus question mark. Every plus noun. Is there any? Noun plus who plus doesn't, didn't plus verb 1 plus extension plus question mark. Never change হয়ে ever, nothing change হয়ে anything. Now I will discuss some examples. Everybody knew the fact. Knew is the first form of no. So we can start didn't. Who didn't know the fact or who did not know the fact? Every man believes in Allah. প্রত্যেক আল্লাহকে বিশ্বাস করে। Is there any man who does not believe in Allah? এমন কোনো মানুষ আছে যে আল্লাহকে বিশ্বাস করে না? He has never stolen. Has he ever stolen? She has nothing to do. Has she anything to do? Okay, dear learner, you should bear in mind that if assertive sentence is negative, then interrogative sentence will be affirmative. অর্থাৎ অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্স যদি নেগেটিভ হয়, ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স হবে অ্যাফার্মেটিভ। অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্স যদি অ্যাফার্মেটিভ হয়, ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স হবে নেগেটিভ। Of course, you have to clear it. Okay, I will discuss next some examples. We do not tell a lie. Firstly, we can use auxiliary verb and then subject and then present form of main verb and then extension. We do not tell a lie. Do we tell a lie? Every man must die. Is there any man who will not die? I'll give you some sentences. Of course, you have to complete these 5 sentences as group work, and I will give you 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes you have to complete it. Maybe you have finished. Thank you. You may adjust your solution if it is okay. I will give you a solution. Everybody hates a lawyer. Who doesn't hate a lawyer? Their glory can never fade. Can their glory ever fade? It is of no use. Is it of any use? Every father loves his child. Is there any father who does not love his child? He knows how to swim. Doesn't he know how to swim? We can reach at the end of the class evaluation as individual work. Please complete it. He comes here every day. He has never been to Dhaka. There is no use of it. None can wear such an insult. The sky is blue. Fine. You have completed it, and I will give you a solution. You may adjust it. First, he comes here every day. Doesn't he come here every day? He has never been to Dhaka. Has he ever been to Dhaka? There is no use of it. What is the use of it? None can bear such an insult. Who can bear such an insult? The sky is blue. Isn't the sky blue? Nice. Your answer is absolutely correct. And a lot of thanks to you. As home task, I have given you 7 sentences. Of course, you have to change into assertive. That is, the sentence is given into interrogative form, and you have to change it assertive as home task, and I will see it the next day? What is the use of it? When can their glory fade? Who is happier than you? Is it a good book? Shall I ever forget your advice? Where will you find such a man who has not heard of it? Okay, our class is finished. Thanks a lot. I think you enjoyed my class. Thanks all. See you again the next class.